Hello everyone. Today we'll learn about page filters and story filters. Page filters act as selection criteria, applicable to all components on a page, such as charts, tables, and KPIs. Page filters only affect the current page they're applied to. Story filters share similar functions. On the other hand, T applies to all pages within the entire story. Let's see how to use both in the system. Alright, let's examine our configuration options. We'll start with adding story filters. For story filters, open the left panel, find the filter section, and click Add button. This creates a new story filter. And it works across all story pages. Next, select dimensions, measures, or time fields. Typically, filters use dimensions. For example, let's select product category. Click Filter by Member. Select all members first. Then refine selections later. Great, let's add company. Done. Again filter by member. Now, we've added two story filters. Let's see the effect. Select a product category, like organic foods. And you can see, charts now display selected category only. Check other pages. They all show the same filtered data. Another example. As shown, data remains filtered consistently. Therefore, story filters work across all pages uniformly. Now, let's explore page filters. If you want to filter data on a single page, without affecting any others, you should use a page filter. To add a page filter, we'll use a control called Input Control. Let's click on it. Alright, next, select corresponding dimensions or measures. We'll choose product category here. Select all members. Now, let's zoom in a bit. Using this way, we've added a page-level filter. When selecting a product category, it only affects the current page. Let's check other pages. It remains unchanged. In other words, page filters only apply locally. Alright, that's all for this course. If you find our video helpful, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.